Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Anamika. So I am back with my channel, with my videos, and what better way could be to restart than a dessert, mouth smacking, lip smacking, yummy dessert. So today I'll be making this kalakant. That's an Indian dessert made with either you can make this with fresh paneer or I have taken a block of fresh paneer, and that is sugar, ghee, and I think there are hardly 3 or 4 ingredients. So let's come to the ingredients now. Here I have around 350 grams of fresh paneer that I have grated. You can just break it and that will also be fine. Then I have exactly a cup of 1 cup of milk, that is just fresh milk, normal milk, and around 2 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter, and I have some for cardamom, green cardamom powder, just for flavoring, and some 8 to 10 strands of saffron. And today I'm using this Amul Mithai Made, that is a condensed milk that actually gives makes the dish making a much quicker one, a much faster one, and you can always use sugar as well if you're using sugar. So for this quantity you can always take 3/4 cup of sugar. I prefer to use less sugar because I mean the sugar content in all my desserts is always on the lower side because that is how we like. If you like it a little bit sweet, then maybe you can add little bit more sugar as per your taste. So now I put the flame on medium high, and the very first thing, I have a pan and I'm going to add this milk. I will let it come to a boil. That normally takes usually takes around 3 to 4 minutes. I'll let it boil for a bit, and then I will tell you what to do next. So as you can see, the milk has come to a boil and it hardly took me around 2 to 3 minutes. And now I am, just to make sure that the milk does not get burnt in the bottom, so I'm going to add just 1.5 teaspoon of clarified butter and ghee. So I'll just mix it, and then at this point, you know what, it's super quick. It is super quick, and I am going to add this paneer, and so I will let it boil for some time. So since I added less milk, so it will take less time. I already have this paneer, so I will let this milk get thicker, and at this point I also want to add some of the green cardamom powder, and I will also we need to reduce the flame to low, otherwise it will just get burned. So just around half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder and 8 to 10 strands of saffron, just to get the flavor. I'm adding it at this point just to get the flavor and the color. And now I will just let it cook for a while. As you can see the saffron has already started releasing the color, and you know what, it smells divine. It is so amazing. It is so quick. If you make it with this fresh paneer, this is just amazing. So I will let it cook, boil for some time, and then we will add this condensed milk, and then we'll keep it to set. Okay, so as you can see, the milk has completely, almost it has reduced. At this point, I am going to add, this is around 300 ml, and I'm not going to use the entire thing because condensed milk is meant to be really sweet. But at the same time, if you use this condensed milk, it will just give another level of taste. It just serves as a taste enhancer. So I have used less than half tin of this. So it is around 120 to 130 grams if we see it in terms of measurement. So we need to just reduce it to, so that we should not see this watery part. So maybe I just feel that I need to add little bit of more clarified butter, just half a teaspoon, just to give it that, otherwise it just gets a bit dry. That's it. Not too much, because Kalakand is meant to be very, very light. And so we will let it cook. Otherwise, we need to cook a little bit of condensed milk, because otherwise it just gives that raw flavor. So I think it will take just another 3-4 minutes, and then we'll be done. So it takes less than 15 minutes to finish it off. It's super quick if you're making with paneer. So we will just wait for this paneer, the cottage cheese, to get completely absorbed in the milk, and then we'll be fine. And I think then we can just keep it to cool down and to set it. So it has almost it is almost done. So another 1 to 2 minutes it would be done, and the flame is still on low. So in the meanwhile, let's do some preparation for to set it up. And now I have a plate, and I will just grease it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the plate. So I've just greased it, and then in the next 2 minutes, it would be Done. Less than 2 minutes. So the milk has completely absorbed, and see how yummy, and it just looks delicious, and it is delicious. And you know what? Now I'm going to just transfer to a plate to set it, to let it cool down. And maybe we need to keep it in the fridge for 1 hour, for an hour or so. And then we'll be ready to cut it off, because right now it is too hot and will not be able to handle it. So we need to let it cool. Then we'll keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 1.5 hours, and then we will cut it, and I'll show you the texture from inside as well.
And we will bake that.
So I am going to keep this for an hour in the refrigerator, and then I'll show you the exact texture. And you know what? This is super light, super quick, and super simple, and universally liked by all. So yeah, I'm going to keep it in the fridge, and then I'll show you the final thing. So as you can see, it is completely set now, and we can just cut. So you can make it small, big, diamond, square, rectangle. It's all up to you. So I am just cutting it, and so our kalakand is ready. Believe me, it's a delicacy, and it is super light, super yummy, and super delicious. And now, and you know what? Everybody loves it in my house. You know what? I am going to show you the expression. Let's come to the tasting part, and let's get it done from my kids. So that is my daughter. So I will just how do you find it?
Good.
It's good? Good? Okay. Okay. Thank you. And now that's my son. And he has been telling me, Mom, it's tasting time. So how's it?
Yummy.
Yummy? You want more?
Yeah.
Look at the expression. They are actually on my head just for the tasting part. So I will give it to them. You give it a try. You make it at home, and do let me know in the comment section how did it come out. And also, if you want any specific recipe of a dessert or anything in particular, just let me know. And also, I have come back after a long break, and I already told you it was just, there are certain things that are just beyond my control. And do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have already not done so. And I will see you again with a new recipe. And one more thing, I have another announcement. So starting tomorrow, I'm starting recipes for breakfast and for the lunch box. That is actually a universal problem of all the mothers, of all the ladies. out there what to give in their lunch box. So I will just, my kids are just on my head and they are eating my head that they want it. So before they mess up everything, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.